जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 22nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, look at me. I have all power. I can go anywhere in this entire world, entire creation, universe. And I can be anywhere, I can be in any form, I can get anything that I want. And also, Arjuna, there is nothing that I have to be doing, I should be doing. There is nothing that I have not attained. There is nothing that I have to be attained. Yet, Arjuna, I am still doing all my work, I am still performing all my duties, and I am following Karma Yogam. You know why? To protect all the worlds. Because there are so many people who would follow me, who would just follow my footsteps. In order to have all of them do Karma Yogam, I have to be doing Karma Yogam now. I have to be doing Nishkama Karma now. That is why I am performing all my duties by not being attached to the fruits of my duties, fruits of my actions. I am perfectly doing Karma Yogam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma showing himself as an example and encouraging all of us to be doing Nishkama Karma, which is also known as Karma Yogam. While having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, while trying to follow the footsteps of Sri Krishna Paramatma and start performing our duties without being attached to the fruits of our duties, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Name Pardhasti कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तम् अवाप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma saying that, always think about me, become my devotee, keep performing your duties as my service. Keep remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my actions as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror-galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra is now teaching the essence of all the Upanishads to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Maharaja, try to lead your life with very minimum necessities. When you have your own hands to eat and when you have your own hands to hold some food, why are you putting your efforts to earn some silver plates and golden plates? O Maharaja, Chirani kim pathi nasanti disanti bhiksham. Why are you putting unnecessary efforts to earn beautiful, costly garments? When the garment is only to cover your body, you can even find some garments, torn out garments in the streets. O Maharaja, trees giving so many fruits. When trees are giving fruits as a food for us, why are we going and begging for the food? Why should we go and beg for the food? Rivers are giving the waters. We can quench our thirst with that. And also there are caves. There are mountain caves for all of us to take rest and sleep. When it is like that, why are we putting our efforts to build so many beautiful buildings and houses? This is all very unnecessary effort. O Maharaja, when Sakshat Paramatma himself Rakshakulule Nivarala Rakshinchadananuchu Chakri Rajai Vundan, that Paramatma holding Sudarsana Chakram is resolved to protect each and every one of us. He is waiting, whoever surrenders to him, he is waiting to protect every one of those who surrenders. Now, when Paramatma is like that, ready to protect, why people are going to Dhanamadandhulaku vela tapasulaku kasmat bhajanti kavayo dhana durmadandhan. Why we need to go and beg from the rich people? Why we need to go and beg from those who are ruling the kingdom? Why even learned people, scholarly people also going to them and begging for the food when they are supposed to go and surrender to Paramatma and go, and if at all they want to beg, they have to beg from Paramatma. Why people are reaching out to all these kings? O Maharaja, you want food? Go and ask Paramatma. You want cloth? Go and ask Paramatma. You want water? Go and ask Paramatma. For everything, Paramatma should be the place to reach and beg and surrender. Like that, you have to narrow down all of your attention to Paramatma, Srimannarayana, Srihari, in order to attain your ultimate goal of life, which is getting relieved from the clutches of birth and death. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching not only to Parikshit Narendra but also to each and every one of us to lead our life with very minimum necessities and fixing our mind upon Sakshat Paramatma Srimannarayana without wasting our efforts towards earning temporary things. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Bhava Jaladhigatanam Dvandvavatāhatānām Sutaduhitrukalatra Trānabhārārdhitānām Vishamavishayato ye Majjataamaplavanam Bhavatu Sharanameko Vishnupoto Naranam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 22nd sloka. Name pardhasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptam avaptavyam vartayevacha karmani. Name pardhasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptamavaptavyam vartayevacha karmani. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.